In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an autoresponder in Getresponse. We'll walk through the fastest and simplest way to set this up so that new subscribers automatically receive your emails without you having to send anything manually each time. By the end, you'll have a basic autoresponder ready to go, and you'll understand what each option actually does. First, once you're logged into your Getresponse account, look for the main navigation menu at the top. From there, hover over or click on the section labeled Tools. In that drop-down, find and select Autoresponders. This is where Getresponse keeps all your automated follow-up messages, and it's the starting point for creating a new one. On the Autoresponders page, you'll see a button that says Create Autoresponder. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main setup screen for your new message. Now let's configure the timing and basic settings. Start by giving your autoresponder a clear name. This name is for your internal use only, so choose something that helps you recognize the purpose of the email later, like welcome email or day one offer. Next, choose your linked list. This is the email list that will trigger the autoresponder. In other words, whenever someone joins this list, they'll become eligible to receive the message you're creating. Make sure you select the specific list where your subscribers are signing up. Then, set the day of cycle. This tells Getresponse when in your email sequence, this autoresponder should be sent. If you want this message to go out immediately when someone subscribes, choose day 0. That's typically used for a welcome email or a confirmation of what they just signed up for. If you're building a series, you might use later days, but for a simple instant welcome message, day 0 is the right choice. Once that's set, it's time to design your email. Click on Design Message. Getresponse will show you a gallery of templates you can use, or you can start from a blank layout if you prefer full control. Choose the option that fits your style, then customize the subject line, the body text, images, and links. Make sure your message clearly explains who you are, what subscribers can expect from you, and, if relevant, delivers any promised lead magnet or resource. When you're happy with the content and layout, continue by clicking Next. This brings you back to the summary screen, where you can quickly review your settings one last time: the autoresponder name, the linked list, and the day of cycle. If everything looks correct, finish the process by clicking Save and Publish. Your autoresponder is now active, and new subscribers on that list will automatically start receiving the message according to the timing you set.